Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program an Acura MDX key fob. First, let's prepare for the process. You'll need to gather all your key fobs, both existing and new ones, that you wish to program. It's also important to ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged. Finally, locate your vehicle's ignition and the remote programming button, which is usually found under the dashboard, to begin. Now, let's get your vehicle into programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, then quickly turn it OFF 4 times in rapid succession. Immediately after the 4th OFF, press and hold the lock button on one of your existing key fobs. You'll know you've entered programming mode when your vehicle's door locks cycle, indicating it's ready for the next step. With your vehicle in programming mode, it's time to program your new key fobs. Within 5 seconds of the doors cycling, press the lock button on each new key fob you want to program. After each successful programming, the vehicle's door locks will cycle again to confirm. Remember, you can program up to 3 key fobs in a single programming session, so make sure you have them all ready. To complete the process, turn the ignition to the OFF position. This action will signal your vehicle to exit the programming mode. Once the key is removed from the ignition, take a moment to test all of your newly programmed key fobs. Ensure that every button, including lock, unlock, and the trunk release, functions correctly and reliably. Congratulations, you've successfully programmed your key fobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.